And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. Today's altcoin of the day is going to be Pepe. Now, I'm doing Pepe primarily because, I got an alert on Twitter. That's right. I don't know if you guys are aware, but the Mango dashboard actually has a Twitter bot that essentially gives you alerts on coins worth looking at. So we got an alert 7 hours ago on Pepe USDT. This trend and volatility profile actually looks really, really good. And also, memes are, the theme of this season. So here it is, Pepe. Let's get back into the chart. This is Pepe on the weekly time frame. I really like this chart. I am seeing multiple bullish cascading pattern plays, one of which has already broken out. That's right. So now the lines that you see on my chart, the yellow line at 690 is that support region that we actually saw Pepe bounce right off of on the reversal right there. Okay, then we had another interim, resistance now flipped into support. Notice this red line at 924 was resistance right here. It was resistance right here as well, and now prices took over that 924 region, flipped resistance into support, and now for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the fourth week, we're holding 924 as support. Now, if I have to be completely objective with my next target, just based on support and resistance, I'm seeing the next target comes in right here at around 1267. From where prices are at right now to 1267, that's going to be a good 22% on that range alone. But now the next question is, would I be buying Pepe right here? At this very moment, would I pull the trigger right now? For me, honestly, bird's eye view, I think we are in the middle of a range. For me, I want to always catch the best bid opportunity, one that's going to be very easy for me to manage. Now, for me to get a good gauge on whether or not this is the appropriate time to be buying Pepe, I default on over to the Mango dashboard. Get into the dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co, and now let's go ahead and check out the trends and the volatility profile to figure out if Pepe is actually a good bid right here, or can I actually wait on a pullback opportunity, allowing me to score a better bid. Now, Pepe is on page number 1. Let's get into the drop down right here. Okay, so now you can see that the bulls have taken over from the 12-hour time frame to the 4-day time frame, which is pretty much why we got the alert on the dashboard on Twitter. Okay, you can see volatility profile very healthy, telling me that the bulls have so much more strength still left in them to take prices up even further. But more importantly, check out the flags on the 2-day time frame. I have potential bullish divergence on the 2-day time frame. All right, so this is an excellent picture for the bulls. Now, as far as a pullback opportunity is concerned, the 4 hour is currently short. This came in 4 hours ago, with volatility also sitting at a very healthy number. Now, when I see something like this, when I see a trend and volatility profile like this, what the dashboard is telling me is that, yes, Krisha, Pepe is looking bullish. However, you might very well score a pullback opportunity on the lower time frames. So try and capitalize on that pullback if you're looking to ride that trend, because trends move like this. And you see these minor downtrends right here? Those are your minor pullback opportunities. And as traders, we always want to score the pullbacks. Okay, we always want to bid the pullbacks, that higher low, because those trades are super easy to manage. So now the dashboard is literally telling us that Pepe could give us one of those opportunities. Now, for those of you looking to get into Mango Dashboard Premium, there is a sale going on right now. The coupon code is BDay2024. It's going to be running until the end of this month. You can use it on all indicators as well as the course. Now, based on the dashboard, we know that the short signal is being given to us on the 4-hour time frame. So let's get into the 4-hour time frame right there. Perfect. And there we have it. And what a beautiful picture. Guys, check this out. All I got to do is just draw out this diagonal right here. Okay, smacking another horizontal, and then suddenly, what exactly are we looking at right here? We are looking at an ascending triangle formation, aka a very bullish pattern. Now, to figure out where the next pullback opportunity comes in at, I'm going to go ahead and default on over to the Mango Lifeline indicator. Now, the Lifeline not only gives us the targets to the upside, it also gives us the bid opportunities. Where would you be bidding Pepe at that would be easy to manage the trade? What I really like about the bid right here is that it lines up with the bottom of that diagonal, aka that trend line right there, right? It stays within that trend. And notice where the invalidation is. Guys, your invalidation is pretty much the emergency brake. Right? Oftentimes as traders, if we really like a coin or an asset, we tend to form biases around that. And then forming a bias around that, when the trade goes south, sort of you start making excuses to actually hold on to that position. You see this invalidation point right here? Well, that is your emergency brake for your biases, right? Because as soon as you start breaking, as soon as prices starts breaking that invalidation point right there, you know you are wrong on your trade. It keeps you objective when you are not. So the invalidation on this comes in at 963. However, the buy opportunity or bid opportunity comes in around 10095 for those of you who want to take note of that number. Okay, once again, we'll be sticking to that trend right here. I would be expecting a bounce, perhaps getting all the way up to the top of the range, coming in at 1078, also top of the ascending triangle formation, and probabilistically all the way to target number 3, which is a good 10% from the bid zone. But if we get up there, guys, we threaten to break out of the much larger ascending triangle formation. And if I plot that on the break, it will take Pepe up by another 30%. That's right, so this is the beginning of the cascading play that we might very well see unfold. Now, for those of you actually looking to take this trade on Pepe, I suggest checking out BitUnix if you're looking for a good exchange to trade on. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5k in bonuses as well as discounts on your trading fees. Now, this is just 30%. What if I told you that this was just an interim target because there's a much larger play unfolding on Pepe? And this can also be found on the weekly time frame. Pepe has already broken out of a falling channel. This right here is the breakout, but it's not just that, guys. On the reversal of the falling channel, there is also a bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern. And this right here is the neckline. Now, if I take the measured move of the inverted head and shoulders pattern and plot it on the potential break, this would take Pepe all the way up to all-time highs, which is another 150% from where prices are at right now. There's a lot unfolding on this chart, but always try and capitalize on the best bid opportunities. But for that, to default on over to the combination of the dashboard call and the lifeline, because that's going to give you a very comprehensive trade setup. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which altcoin you guys want me to cover next, and I'll be more than happy to push that out. With this now, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.